Gisiguro ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte nga gipaningkamutan sa gobyerno nga matubag ang panginahanglanon sa mga naapektuhan sa bagyong Ulysses. Kini atol sa iyang pahayag karong hapon lang. Atong paminawon ang tipik sa pahayag sa Pangulo.
My countrymen, mga kababayan, while we are facing the heavy downpour and strong winds of Ulysses, I assure everyone that your government is on top of the situation. From the beginning, various government agencies have already been mobilized to respond to the situation on the ground. I renew my call on all local government units and concerned agencies to ensure that the well-being and safety of our people remain the top priority. As President, I guarantee you that your government will do its best to provide assistance in the form of shelters, relief goods, financial aid, and post-disaster counseling. Rest assured, the government will not leave anybody behind. We will get through this crisis, I assure you. As one nation, kapit po tayo, mga kababayan, magbayanihan po tayong lahat.
Samtang karong hapon lang sabi pahigayon og aerial inspection si Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte kauban si Senador Bongo ngadto sa mga lugar nga grabing naigo sa bagyong Ulysses, partikular na sa Pasig, Marikina ug Montalban.